Good afternoon, Double Dippers, and welcome to Disney's Blizzard Beach. Haven't been here since it opened, or reopened, I guess I should say. Polar patio rentals are sold out for the day. Huh. Got a nice swim shirt in there. Just casually browsing as we head over towards our little play area for Kona. I don't remember what they call it over here. Back into Pikes Peak. I believe they've actually added more Frozen theming since the last time we were here. So
yeah, they added Kristoff and Sven.
Yeah, so they did a whole lot. But yeah, we still have our little kiddie play area over here. Last time I believe it started raining when we got here.
Yeah, I think it did.
It was also kind of cold, I think. I don't know, it's been quite some time since we've been here, it feels like. But let's go have some fun. Kona, are you ready to go wee?
Uh-huh. Look at his little ears like pushing out.
Yeah, there's letters on here. There's a B. See the big B? Alright, mommy's gonna...
What? Look at you walking up
There
those
you go.
steps all by yourself, man.
Good job.
Alright, let's wait in line, okay? Go, Bubba! Woo, Kona! Whoa! Come on! Walk this way. Yay!
What do you think? Oh, did it get you? What are these called? Yeah, he's spitting water.
No, that turtle child is hitting us with the water.
Here's our new Sven and Kristoff. It's time to get on a lift to the top of Mount Gushmore. We're gonna go check out the family raft ride. There's no posted wait time that we could see down here, so we're gonna have to get all the way up there, and hopefully it's not too long of a wait. What you thinking, Papa?
You like that ride? It's so cool.
He had the best laugh ever right before I started recording.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is so cool. See, that's the benefit of waiting for this though, is it's like a ride in itself, you know? So it is really fun, and you get a good scenic overlook of the whole park. Or not, maybe not the whole park, but...
You were gonna go ride that ride?
Yeah, we're going right up there. Very slowly. Hey, remember eating your first... Yeah, your sand pail?
Yeah.
That's what they're eating right now.
Yeah. We also ate lunch there.
Yep.
That was my first time coming here.
Man, we need to get a sand pail. Probably not today, but another day.
So that's like a teen area over there, right?
That area is for probably 5 to 10. Because once we were teenagers, we were too old for that area. Or if we could catch anybody coming down. Still running.
Yeah, there's adults going, babe, and all that stuff. They're kids.
Huh. I know that zip line is a height requirement, though, or a height maximum. What? We're not going down that way. Maybe when you're older, Bubba. Babe, he just asked if we're going that way.
No, heck no, Kona. Heck no. We're not crazy people.
Well, Daddy is. Daddy's done that several times. I would like to do it again.
No. It's terrifying.
It's not that bad. Nobody's going down right now. There's nobody going on it.
I'm hoping that the wait for this one's really...
Okay. Take my camera so we can get off. By the way, in case you get up here and you don't want to do Summit Plummet, you can always do Slush Gusher, which is a lot more chill. Also, totally forgot to look at what the name of this is. I don't remember. It's a family raft ride.
He was clapping. He said, yay!
Are you excited, Lovey? Man, we waited an hour for this last time or more. Look, there's Animal Kingdom. That's where I was working this morning. Right over by Everest, too. And there's Coronado. Wow. No, wait. I'm pretty sure this is Steamboat Springs, isn't that what it's called? Yep, Steamboat Springs. Bingo. Also, you can see Tower of Terror pretty good from here. And Swan Reserve, Swan and Dolphin there. Galaxy's Edge is right over there. You can see the Chinese Theater poking up. You probably can't see any of that because I'm using the GoPro. It's a wide angle lens, but it's all there. Let's go.
Hey, Bubba. You're so fast.
All done, Bubba. We're all done.
Okay, sit down. Okay, we did it.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Was it fun?
See, they're right there.
Was it fun?
Water. Whoa. Whoa. You did that? Was that so cool? Whoa. And it went all the way over. Whoa. Don't point, Bubba. It's okay.
All right, we got in the lazy river.
Ready? You're gonna get in the water.
Here we go. Daddy doesn't know what he's backing into.
This way.
Where are you going? You're going wee? Mommy's toesies.
It feels good to float.
Yeah, my knees are straining.
I know, that's why I was just
We
like,
didn't grab tubes for either of us, so we're just like hopping along.
turn. Woo!
Oh, there's a double tube. I'm gonna take that.
Ready?
Can't get ahead of me, I can't.
Oh no! Come here!
Oh, it's cold. Alright, 30 minutes left in the park.
Please remain
We're gonna head back up to Steamboat Springs. If these people can understand how a chairlift works. Alright, we came back to Pikes Peak. And there's Tuna. Alright, go back around. Sit up and over. Come out the other side. Alright, go back around. Kona went on the big slide. Lifeguard seems to have the whistle in mouth, so hopefully he's still coming. Are you scooching? Yep, scooching. Woo! Yeah. Come on. Give me a hand. There we go.
There you go. You want to hold this? You want to see this? Okay. You ready? You go see Daddy, okay?
Don't drop it. Hope it's waterproof.
It is. There you go.
Good job, bud. Okay, I'll take that. What? What? Was that fun? Okay, we're vlogging. Changing Kona's diaper. What am I doing? I'm changing your diaper, Bubba. I'm changing your diaper. I'm drying you off. Putting your dry clothes on.
Huh?
Here.
Buzz?
All right, you gotta stand up.